Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be covering some Aerodrome stuff. I'll give you an update on the position. This isn't an overall yield farming update because those happen on Monday and today is Thursday. But I did want to do a little update on Aerodrome, and we are going to be deploying an extra $1,500 into a position in the video. And I'll show you what that is and my thinking behind it and all that good stuff. So let's jump into the volume first off. So volume over the past couple of weeks, or over the past week, sorry, has been pretty well. It's been pretty good. Now, actually, before we get any further into the video, usual disclaimer that none of this is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in DeFi and crypto, even with yield farming, because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. There is still risk that carries out in yield farming as well. But with that said, like the video, subscribe if you are new, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter and take a look at the Discord servers. The link is in the description to everything. And also, I'm going to drop two links in the description. One for Aperture Finance. You can currently get points. You can see I have 240,000 points, give or take. And essentially what you can do is you can just use the DApp, use the application, you doing swaps, rebalances, zap in, reinvest your fees, etc. And you will generate points. Now, these points will be converted into APTR tokens. So yeah, and you're basically just farming for free money, right? So I'll leave a link down below for Aperture, and I'll leave a link down below for Crystal. Same sort of thing. You kind of just use the application and you generate these crystals, and then these will turn into crystal tokens when they do launch the crystal token, right? And then of course you're just farming free money with those two airdrops because we're yield farming already, so it makes sense, right? But anyway, let's look at the volume. So volume over the last week has been pretty consistent between sort of 4 billion and 7 billion a day, which is pretty decent considering the market we've been in over the past sort of few days. I think the whole market is down. I mean, Bitcoin's under 60K. I did buy some more Bitcoin yesterday actually, which was, yeah, under 60, which is pretty good. So the whole market's down, volume's up, and if we take a look at Aerodrome, this is on base. There are some crazy opportunities right now. I mean, even if you just want to farm Aero tokens, you can get 165% a year on that. So if we take a look at the APRs, now again, I wouldn't really take too much of a notice of these unless you like meme coin pools. And also these are concentrated pools. You can get Aero and W State ETH right now is over 3,000% APR, but this is concentrated. I did do a video on Aerodrome on showing you kind of everything to do with Aerodrome. If you want to take a look at that video and understand more about these numbers, concentrated, basic, etc., then go and watch that. But if you scroll down, you can get a very decent APR right now. You can get sort of between 2 and 400% on decent tokens right now, which is pretty awesome. So the position that I am going to jump in, actually, first of all, let's show you how my position is doing. So you can see, as you know, I put 3.5K into WETH and Wells, and we claimed on Monday, obviously. And right now we have just under $120 or 100 Aero to actually claim. We're making 425% per year, which is what, like 1.2, 1.3, 1.4% per day, which isn't bad at all. I will take that. Ignore this. This is my locked Aero that I just have there from an airdrop that I got from being in Velodrome. And this is how Aerodrome is kind of like the main sort of thing about Aero is locking up Aero, voting, and then getting incentives each week. So this just kind of stacks up every week for me. But yeah, that's a whole nother video, right? So this is the liquidity position that I'm currently in, WETH and Wells. Again, we have just under $120 here to actually go and claim. So let's have a look and see what position to jump in. Now, even if you want to go super safe, you can get 32% APR on WETH and USDC right now, 165 on USDC and Aero. And if we take a look at these, let's go from APR up, sort of filtering down. And let's go to like the second or third page. I've already picked the position. The position I'm going to be going in is OVN and USD plus. Okay, so if we go back and have a look at this, let's go back and have a look at this position. Okay, let's wait for that to load. So this position is currently doing 321% APR. There's 25 million TVL in here. There's $1.1 million of volume, and fees is about 11K. So about 321% APR. So if we take a look at this, 321, I guess call it 322 just for easy math's sake, divide that by 365. So we're going to be doing about 0.88% per day. So if we do $1,500 times that by 0.88%, it's going to be about 13 bucks a day on this position, which is 94 per week, which is $369 a month. If, of course, this APR stays the same, of course, this does fluctuate up and down, but we're going to be doing roughly that. So the numbers are decent. OVN has sort of come down slightly over the past couple of weeks during this sort of mini dump, I suppose. Now, I've been holding overnight finance, which is OVN, for a while. But you can see, make sure before you jump into any pool, don't just do it for the APR. You know, you have to look at the DAP and make sure that you like the project. So I will be jumping into this one. You can see they do have a lot of TVL, overnight finance. Yeah, I'll be jumping into this position. So let's go ahead and jump into OVN and US Plus. So we're going to go over to Aerodrome over here, and we're going to click deposit. Now I need a mixture of OVN and US Plus, right? So let's say if I put $750 in here, then I am going to need this, sorry, not OVN. I'm going to, let's swap this and do 750 US Plus. Okay, I'm going to need the same amount of OVN tokens. So if we have a look at my MetaMask, you can see over on USDC, I have $1,500 in USDC on base that I'm going to deposit in here. So first of all, let's go to the swap and let's get our USD plus, sorry, and then we'll grab our 13 OVN tokens. So let's go ahead and select USD, and then we want US Plus. USD Plus. So we're going to do 750, and then we are going to wait for this, and then we're going to allow it and swap these tokens, and I'll come back once this has been swapped. So you can see we now have our OVN plus, US Plus, sorry, and our OVN tokens, and now we just click allow US Plus or USD Plus, sorry, and we're going to select approve, and then we're going to allow our OVN tokens as well, and approve that. And then once this has gone through, we can hit deposit, and we can pay the minimal gas fee over on base for this as well. And then once that has done, we can then stake our deposit. It's just loading the stake, and then once this has been staked, we'll start earning our fees instantly pretty much. So we're going to now allow for this, okay, and then we just need to click max on this. Click approve, and then we're going to wait for this, and then once this has been approved, it will then tell us that we're able to stake it, and then we're good to go. And then boom, staking confirmed. So if we go back over to liquidity, if we go over to the dashboard, we'll then see our two positions here. Now you can see our two positions, okay, and if we scroll down, we can start to see our rewards coming in. So now we have our VA, we have our Wells and WETH pool, and then we also have our OVN and USD Plus pool. Okay, there we go. So now if we come down here, you can see both of these, and you can see both our trading fees, and you can see also our emissions, which is right here. So there you go. Pretty simple, very easy to deploy capital on Aerodrome. I do like the DApp. It's very easy to manage. And yeah, guys, I just started to make this video of me doing it. I was going to do it anyway, so I thought I'd give an update on Aerodrome as a whole. And Aero, the actual token, is going up as well. So your fees that you're getting, which are these emissions, this US value, this US dollar value is actually also going up as the token goes up. Now, yes, of course, it would have gone down as the token went down, but now it's kind of back up. So if you didn't claim from yesterday, for example, your US dollar value from rewards is up 26%. On the rewards that you've got, which is pretty cool. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you are new and turn the notifications on, and I'll see you on the next video. Let me know what positions you're on Aero, if any at all, and let me know if you're thinking of jumping in any. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.